The Work Opportunity Tax Credit, or WOTC, can reduce federal tax liability when you hire people from specific groups. For-profit businesses of any size in any industry can qualify for WOTC, and nonprofits can qualify specifically for veterans. For each eligible hire, you earn a general business credit between $2,400 and $9,600. Generally, the credit is available for hiring qualified veterans, food support recipients, designated residents of designated zones, temporary assistance for needy family recipients, and unemployment benefit recipients who have been unemployed for 6 months or more. Remember, paperwork must be filed within 28 days of the employee's start date to qualify. To get started, follow these 3 steps. Request CLA's WOTC Welcome Kit for the necessary documentation and information. Review and sign the Welcome Kit contents to begin employee screening. And let CLA handle the process and help you claim available credit. CLA works with employers to identify eligible employees, collect supporting information, submit required tax forms, and compute the dollar amount of the credit. Fill out our form below and get started with our WOTC Welcome Kit today.